Hi everyone, are you ready to take your reading game to the next level? Today I'll show you step by step how to use my ultimate reading tracker in Notion. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully organized reading system that's simple, efficient, and fun to use. Let's dive into it. First, we'll add a new book to your library. Head to the Books database and click the New button. First, I'll set the start date to today. The new book will automatically jump to the top. I've got all the info ready, so let's enter the title, genre, and your reading status. Done. Your book is now ready to be explored. Next, we'll create an author profile. Go to the author's database, click the New button, and type in the author's name. Add any additional details you'd like, such as their genre, century, or the major subjects of their works. Easy, right? Link the book to the author. Now let's connect the book to the author. Head back to the book, entry, find the author property, and select the author you just added. Boom! Your book and its creator are linked. Time to set a reading goal. Go to the goals database and create a new goal, like read all books about Harry Potter. Once you've set your goal, you're ready to start crushing it. Let's link your book to this goal. In the book entry, find the goal property and connect it to your new reading target. Now your progress is tied directly to your goal. Onto quotes. This is one of my favorite features. Head to the quotes database, click the New button, and add a quote from your book. Don't forget to include the book. The author will be automatically set. Simple as that. If your book has a film or series adaptation, let's add it. Go to the media page, Films database, click the New button, and enter the title. Link the film to the respective book. Add details like the related book, director, top cast, the link to the film, release year. Let's build your vocabulary next. Open the glossary database and create 2 new entries. Add the word, its definition, link to the respective book. It's a great way to learn it as you read. Finally, if this book is favorite, let's make it official. Head to the Fave database, click the New button, and link to the book. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've turned a single book into an organized, interactive entry in your reading tracker. Imagine how satisfying it will feel to see your entire reading journey laid out in one place.